How to shorten the link on Google Docs. The very first thing you want to do is to open your Google Docs. Once you are in here, paste the link that you want to shorten. Once you have entered the link, now you have to select the link and then click on Remove Link. This interface will pop up on your screen. Simply erase the link in this section and then you can name the link as per your need. Let's say I want to name it as YouTube video. Once you enter YouTube video, click on Apply. And there you go, the link has been converted to YouTube video. If you click on it, it will open up the link. Well, the next thing you want to try doing is head over to bit.ly.com. It will land you on the official page of Bitly. You have to scroll all the way down and this interface will appear. In this section, simply paste the link that you have it. After that, click on Shorten. There you go, the link has been shortened. Now you simply have to copy the link. Once you have copied, you can paste it anywhere you want to and you'll be good to go. So that's all for today, and this is simply how you can shorten the link on Google Docs. Make sure to smash the like button and consider subscribing if you found this video helpful. We'll see you in the next one.